Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial is I am going to show you this website, how to use Microsoft Planner to manage multiple projects. So here guys, Microsoft Planner works with Microsoft 365 Plan. So if you haven't subscribed yet, you can still explore the interface and get familiar with the workflow. So here's how you create and manage multiple projects. So remember guys, you need a paid plan to actually create and save plans, but you can explore the planner. So you can see here, these are the different features of this. So the planner integrates with Microsoft Teams. You can add a plan as a tab in your team channel for seamless collaboration and updates. You can switch to schedule view to see all tasks on the calendar. This is great for deadline tracking across multiple projects. You can use the chords tab in each plan to give a visual overview of a task status. And then last is you can add tasks within each bucket. Just need to click add task button. And that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos.